Today's video, we're going to show you how to clean your window air conditioner unit. This oftentimes gets overlooked as a homeowner or a DIYer, so I want to show you how easy it is to do, and I also want to give you some other pointers on how to get colder air from your window air conditioner. As you can see, I'm super sweaty as it's really hot here in Tennessee, so we're looking for every measure we can take to get a little bit colder air from our window air conditioners.
Today's video is brought to you by Mr. Cool, America's #1 choice for quality, affordable DIY HVAC equipment, and Filter By, offering quality HVAC filters shipped right to your door.
All right, so this is an old Kenmore, I think from 1989. As you can see, it's 83 degrees outside. This has been running for about 10 minutes, and we're just gonna use this for our baseline. We've got about 48 degrees coming out of the vents. We'll show you outside what it looks like. And as you can see in here, the coils are clean, so there's not really any attention that these need, but we'll show you what it looks like outside. Here's what the unit out here looks like. It's very loud, but as you can see, there's a lot of buildup on the corners of the coils. And this is what we're gonna be using right here, just foaming coil cleaner. If your unit is not super dirty, you can rinse this off with water, but because we have this buildup here, we're going to be using coil cleaner. We're gonna clean up the outside as well, and we're gonna see how much lower temperature we can get. Right now, we're holding steady at 47 degrees out of the vents. So let's see how much colder we can get once we clean these coils, if we can get it below that 47 degree mark. So the first thing we're gonna do is go inside and turn off the unit, and then we're gonna spray this down, let it sit, rinse it off, and turn it back on. Okay, so this process is pretty easy. We're just gonna start at the bottom and work our way up so as to get as much coil cleaner on this affected area. Now, most of these coil cleaners are a no rinse formula, especially for the evaporator, but since this is outside, we can go ahead and rinse this off after we let it sit. So we're just gonna start down here at the bottom, just gonna work our way up. And we want to shake this for a couple minutes before we start applying it. So we're just going to make sure we get coverage on the whole surface here. We can even spray some on the case, get that mildew off of it. And we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off with our hose. As you can see, it's breaking down all of this mildew, and we'll watch that float right off as we rinse it off. All right, so our 5 minutes is up. Look at that, so much better. Just a little bit of staining on there, but nothing that's gonna affect the performance. Really curious to see what difference this makes with our output temperature. As you can see, same temperature outside, 83 degrees. So let's turn this back on, let it run for another 10 minutes and see what we got. All right, so we just cleaned off the outside condenser coils. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. It's still 83 degrees outside. And as you can see, we're getting 37, 38 degrees. So that's a 10-degree drop from where we were when we were previously running it. So that's a huge drop, and definitely worth the money in cleaning those condenser coils. A lot of people might not even think about that since it's outside, but they could be really dirty. Something as simple as cleaning those could make this temperature significantly less. Now, something I want to mention that's really important is keeping the filter clean. As you can see, this is from the original system. This was like 1989. And you can see just how brittle this filter is. So if you have an older system, definitely make sure that you either replace this with a new screen on the existing case, as you can see here, and make sure that the evaporator coil is clean. As worn out as this was, the evaporator coil on this window air conditioner was really clean. But if we were going to be running this system, we would want to put a screen here to make sure that that evaporator coil stays nice and clean. Now for this particular one, we're actually going to be replacing it with a mini split, and that video will be coming out soon. But this is a nice reminder to make sure that the evaporator coil, which is on the front, is clean, as well as the condenser, which is on the back of the unit, also stays clean.
Well guys, as you could see, it was very easy to get a lower temperature from the vents just from cleaning the outside coils. If you have a dirty indoor coil, that will also make a big difference. But overall, I was really impressed with the results from this. Now, if you're interested in seeing a really unique window unit that is a saddle design, that's an inverter compressor, very efficient, and still allows you to have full function of the window, check out this video right here, and I'm sure you'll be intrigued by this window AC unit. Until next time, you guys be safe. Later.